In this video we are going to talk about the best stand mixer in this year, which is Okma Stand Mixer 6.5 QT. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Okma Electric Food Stand Mixer is designed for hands-free mixing for a wide variety of foods ranging from light and airy egg whites to sticky bread dough. A powerful 660-watt motor is great for everyday mixing and can even handle the thickest cookie dough. 6-speed mixer for all your food preparation needs. Ensures perfect mixing results every time. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still in using, and the splatter shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. Powerful motor and variable speed control. 660-watt high-performance pure copper motor and sturdy ABS housing. 6 optimized speeds with pulse function, access to multipurpose, and a variety of recipes. 6.5 QT large capacity bowl with handles. 6.5 QT stainless steel bowl can meet all your kitchen needs. The stand mixer is easy to use for making cakes, breads, cookies, pastry, muffins, and waffle, and the dual handles are more convenient to hold. Tilt head and outside design. The tilt head design mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. The kitchen mixer has a stainless steel decoration belt and blue LED light as power indicator. The red housing with 2-layer painting make it look more shining and beautiful in your kitchen. Multiple attachment set. Okma Stand Mixer comes with 3 mixing accessories: whisk, dough hook, mixing beater. The splash guard with access hatch helps add ingredients without making a mess. Ideal gift and multiple authentication. Okma Electric Food Mixer is a perfect gift idea for your family and friends. Please always feel free to contact us if you have any questions during using. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.